Vantek's V-Krete Overhead Repair Mortar is a pre-polymerized mortar used to repair damaged concrete present in vertical orientations such as walls or sides of slats. For your application, you will need the following tools and equipment: 1 quart and 5 quart measuring pails, a 5-gallon mixing bucket, clean potable water, a mixing drill, a spiral prop mixer, a large tarp or plastic sheet, dust masks, safety glasses, rubber gloves, and trowels. It's helpful to make a large and organized mix station to ensure your V-Krete VO application is fast, easy, and done correctly. Before getting started, be mindful that ambient temperature and conditions can affect the working time and setup time of the V-Krete VO mortar. The product should be stored in a cool, dry area, ideally close to 70 degrees. Garden hoses laying in the sun should be emptied so that only cool water is used. On colder days, it is important to check the temperature of your concrete. V-Krete VO should be applied when the concrete temperature is a minimum of 50 degrees and rising. While Vantek's Prep and Etch can be used to clean the area, most V-Krete VO applications require the area to be prepped with a chipping hammer. This will remove any loose, punky concrete, as well as clean and abrade the repair area for an extremely strong, long-term bond. If any steel reinforcement is present, first clean it with a wire brush, then wipe or blow clean. Apply Vantek's rust stopper to the metal prior to the application of V-Krete VO mortar. V-Krete VO is a premium pre-polymerized mortar. It can be applied with water and does not need the addition of acrylic resin concentrate. Prime the surface with straight water, either with a brush or a pump-up sprayer. Strive for a very saturated and damp surface, but with no puddles or standing water. Agitate the mortar to loosen the material prior to mixing. This ensures a uniform consistency and makes measuring easier. V-Krete VO is typically mixed at approximately 6 parts mortar to 1 part water. Because it is a fast-setting product, start with small, easy-to-manage batches. A recommended small batch is 1 pint of water to 3 quarts of mortar. Mixing a full 50-pound bag of V-Krete VO will take approximately 3 to 3.5 quarts of water. Start by adding a portion of the water to the mixing pail. Then combine mortar with more water as you mix. Add slight amounts of mortar and water as necessary to achieve the desired consistency. It is important not to exceed the recommended water content, and do not overmix or retemper the material. In hot weather, add 1 pouch of slow-set additive per gallon of water to extend the working time 15 to 20 minutes. Just dissolve the slow-set into the mixing water. Wearing a pair of gloves, work a scrub coat of the material into the pre-dampened substrate to ensure intimate contact and establish a secure bond. While the scrub coat is still wet, begin firmly packing and shaping the mortar by hand. Once the area is fully packed in, a trowel can be used to form edges and finish out the repair. If texture is desired, simply leave a broom finish with a stiff bristle brush. V-Krete VO mortar can be applied to a thickness of up to 2 inches in one lift. For application depths greater than 2 inches, apply the mortar in successive lifts.